Hi guys, Margaret here. I thought I would do something a little different today. Instead of just posting a printing video, I thought I would post a video of prints made from the same item that have varying looks. So, you can see some different possibilities. They were all made with this plate. It's one of my most treasured pieces. It's a poinsettia plate. And I knew the moment I saw it, it would do great things, and it has. So I actually have it in two sizes. Mostly I use this large one. On the bandana piece, you'll see where I use both sizes. Okay, first up, these were both dipped in indigo dye. This one was printed on an aqua fabric in blue ink. This was printed on white fabric with black ink. Then I did a glue resist. You can see where all the white is. And where this thickened aqua line is, that was all glue resist before I dipped it in the indigo. After that, I put them on batting and just add different stitching. Each one gets stitched a little bit differently, and like the centers here, and it gives them a different look. It's the same, but different. Okay, so you can be creative with that. Okay. These were done with thickened dye. This was printed in black ink on a natural fabric. And I just painted in the different leaves. Honestly, I didn't have a plan. I was just kind of, we have a dye group. We call it dye camp on Fridays. And I was just playing with them and, was winging it. So this I'll add stitches to and the batting. And it'll also be on a 10 by 10. Another variation. This was black ink on a white fabric. And then I painted with the thickened dyes. And the same thing, I'll add the batting and stitching, and, that'll be that. Okay, this is the bandana. This is where you can see the two sizes. The large one. It's such a simple design, but it's so bold, and yet it looks so different, than the other things. I'd like to, go in with maybe like a pencil eraser and stamp in some color in the centers. Okay, and then last but not least, I have this little gem. I had painted dots on a large piece of fabric, and just random, just playing in our dye camp. And then my dye buddies, suggested I print something bold on top of it. So I went with this. After I did it, I thought it was a bit much, but they egged me on, and it pays to have creative friends because, I went ahead, I put it on the batting. I added the stitching, lots and lots of stitching. You can see there's all kinds of little seed stitching going on here to make the center pop. And, I put some lines to define it, and then all the stems. So, thanks to my buddies who, encouraged me to finish it. So I just love the way it turned out. Okay, so that's all from one plate. Thanks. Let me know what you think.